I wake up in the quiet light. No rush, no need to run. The world is breathing, so am I. Another day has just begun. All the noise fades into air when I slow my heart down. I don't need to chase tomorrow when this moment is enough right now. Every breath is telling me I'm already where I should be. Nothing more, nothing less, just this light, just this breath. Love the life you're living now. Hold the ones who keep you grounded. Let the worries fall away. You don't need them anyway. Love the life you're living now. Every high and every low. This is all we ever had. This moment, let it flow. Life is not something you arrive at. It's not waiting for you somewhere else. It happens in between, in the pauses, in the small moments you almost miss. Life is happening now. I see myself in younger days, always searching, always fast, trying to hold on to the future while the present quietly passed. Now I'm learning how to stay, how to listen, how to feel. Not every answer has a shape. Some truths are meant to heal. I don't need to know what's next. I don't need a perfect plan. I trust the rhythm of my heart. I trust who I am. Love the life you're living now. Hold the ones who keep you grounded. Let the worries fall away. You don't need them anyway. Love the life you're living now. Every scar and every glow. This is all we ever have. This moment, let it flow. Slow down. You are not behind. You are learning. You are feeling. You are alive. And that is more than enough. If everything fades someday, I know I lived honestly. A love without conditions, and I chose peace over fear in me. Love the life you're living now. Not perfect, just real. Let yourself be human. Let yourself feel. Love the life you're living now. Every breath, every sound. This is not a rehearsal. You are here, you are